Today is April 10th, 2025. I am in Indianapolis, Indiana at the Sanitary Diner. Here's an old relic from the past. Unfortunately, right now, this is out of business, but you can appreciate the architecture. Little tiny mom and pop, just a handful of tables and seats at the counter. If you can see in the top there, there's signs of wear and tear. Probably needs a little bit of money to get it going again. As of right now, this place is for lease. If you guys want, if there's anyone out there who wants to bring this old beauty back to life, there is a clock right here. The clock is actually running. We'll try giving a peek inside here, see if we can see what it looks like inside. So you can see nice old retro tables, counter in the back there, stools at the counter, stainless steel sinks and other things. And that's really about it. It's unfortunately been vandalized. So very simple design. I will see if I can find some more history on this place. Put it in the description below. But there you have it. Sanitary Diner, right now located in Indianapolis, Indiana. Looking for someone who'd like to get it going again. Who wants to be a cook at a really special place? You just gotta love these old retro places. They are disappearing fast. But thanks for following along. Thanks for taking a peek. And I hope you would join me as my camera takes me to the next location.